Good morning, College Achieve families. Today is Friday, May 29th, 2020. Let's get started with math with a quick I can statement before we jump into our mini activity. Our I can statement for today is I can count quarters and dimes. Now let's jump into today's activity for our distance learning. For today's activity, we'll be using quarters and dimes together to make new cents. So let's get started with a quick example. Let's say that my problem asked me to make 80 cents. Now, one of the tricks is that if it is a 0, you need an even number of quarters, so 2 or 4. If it ends in a 5, you need an odd number of quarters, so 1 or 3. Because it ends in a 0, I know I need an even amount. So, I'm going to get started. Here's 1 quarter. This is worth 25 cents. Here's 2 quarters. Now I have 50 cents. If I added another quarter, I would be closer to 80 cents. However, I would end up with 5 because I have an odd amount. So, now I'm going to use my dimes, counting from 50 and going up by 10. This makes 60 because 50 jump up to 60 by 10. 70 and 80. So to make 80 cents with using dimes and quarters, I need 2 quarters and 3 dimes. Now let's try it with an odd number. For example, let's say that my problem calls for 65 cents. I need an odd amount of quarters to get my 5. So my first one, this is worth 25. Again, if I did a second quarter, I would be closer. That would bring me to 50 cents. However, then I wouldn't be able to reach my 65. So now I can start counting by tens with my dimes. This dime would make it to be 35. Now I'm at 45, 55, and 65. So I would need 1 quarter and 4 dimes to make 65 cents. Now let's take a look at our activity for the day. Using quarters and dimes, you're going to try and make 55 cents. Now, there's a 5 in this problem. That means you're going to need an odd number, so either 1 or 3 quarters. Parents, if you have coins at home, this is a great activity to help show with real live money. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And as always, have a great day.